Hey, it's Jero, and on this video, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking araw kapag wala akong taping, wala akong event. So, we're going to talk about behind the spotlight. So, a day in my life, off-cam and off-stage. Yan ang ating topic. Kaya naman kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon para lagi kang manonotify kapag may mga bago tayong uploads. And don't forget to like and share. What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? So yun na nga, we are going to show you what's going on sa aking buhay when I am behind the spotlight. Behind the spotlight so means I am off stage and I am off cam. So ano nga bang meron tayo today? So it's a regular Friday ngayon, bago mag Holy Week. We actually just woke up and medyo puyat tayo dahil nearly 4 a.m. na ako nakauwi from a gig. Yung gig last night is actually hindi siya taping, hindi din siya event. It's more like a marketing skit kasi wala kaming camera pero we're doing something else for a show. So, ganun siya. Ang time ngayon ay 12 na ng tanghali. So, I will share to you ano yung mga gagawin ko ngayon. So, actually, what I have on my list, I will go to a coffee shop where I normally spend my time. And then, we will be meeting a client at 4:30 p.m. And then, we will also be having an online meeting at 7 p.m. later. So that's my main itinerary for today. For now, since it's 12 noon, definitely mawawala na ng tubig. So I have to take a bath and let's have our chika later. Okay, so we're ready. This is our look for today. Let's go! So we're now here at one of our favorite spots where we always work. So we are here at Starbucks Molino Boulevard. So dito ako laging nag-work kapag itong gantong idle time, wala akong event, wala akong taping. So kapag may kailangan akong gawin for event, dito ako nagpupunta. Even before na nag-VA ako, dito rin ako pumupunta para mag-work. Hindi pa ako makapag-work. Wala kasi masaksakan. Lobat lahat ng gadgets. Okay guys, so tapos na yung meeting natin with the client. Hindi ko na pinakita yung meeting kasi confidentiality din syempre. So first meeting done, and now na kasi almost 5 p.m. so lipas na yung window ng fasting ko. So pwede na tayong kumain. So, hanap tayo ng pwesto kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain. Let's go! Okay guys, so ngayon naghahanap tayo ng lugar kung saan tayo kakain. Lagi na lang natin problema kung saan tayo kakain. Nag-book na ako actually going doon sa isang kinakainan ko sa Yunus. So, let's go! Okay, so we have arrived here. Dito ako madalas kumain kapag, lalo na pag gabi. It's 5:31, first meal of the day. Imagine nyo yun. From 3 a.m. na last natin kain. Dito ako kumakain palagi, guys. Dito to sa palengke ng Ana Bukastal. Tapos na tayong kumain. We are back home. Ayan. Dito na lang natin gagawin yung ating huling meeting. Dito na lang gawin sa bahay. Nang sa ganun ay okay, may wifi naman tayo, di ba? With that, kung tutuloy-tuloy ang ganitong sitwasyon, we might be hearing our suppliers asking for transpo or additional like si catering. Kung apektado ang presyo ng bilihin from the time na ginawa yung quotation natin, pwede siyang possible lang naman na magsabi siya na kailangan po natin ng additional na ganito dahil super crazy talaga pag nagtaas. Si shuttle service natin, isa din sa possible na mag-ask yan ng additional because of the diesel. Kasi from the time na binigyan tayo ng computation ni shuttle, ang gasolina, ang diesel that time is around 60 pesos pa lang. Halos dumoble na. So by May, if ganun pa din ang presyo ng diesel, maaaring manghingi sa atin si shuttle ng additional for gas. So I want you to have that kind of expectation. Alam naman natin na hindi din naman sila lang ang affected, tayo din naman affected. More especially kayo na nandyan mismo sa lugar kung saan yung gulo, plus pag uwi nyo dito, ganun yung aabutan ninyo, talagang medyo may possibility na medyo yung budget natin matatapyas pa. So at least yung expectations natin as early as now, medyo nasiset na natin. With other things naman, wala pa naman akong nakikita na pwedeng maging effect nito sa atin. So yun din sa amin, sa side namin, a little lang naman if in case din na yung presyo ng diesel ay ganun din. Kung hindi din kakayanin ng spare budget ko, baka din mag-ask ako ng a little lang. Kasi meron naman talaga akong allotted na budget for the diesel. Pero kung super taas din talaga, tas hindi na pumasok sa allotted kong budget for our gas, a little lang naman. Unahin na natin yung wedding bands. Kamusta? Ongoing na yun, no?
Nabigay na kasi ng sa side ko. Sabi ni Mama,
with your invitation, tinitignan ko ulit kanina yung sinend mo sa akin last time, yung Feb 6. May revision ka ba dito o ito pa din yun? Hindi darating.
Malaking chances na hindi makakarating kasi until when mo ako bibigyan ng parang time to get the confirmation kung papalitan ko yung insurance.
Siguro kahit makatapos na ng Holy Week. Total Holy Week naman na next week eh. Alright, so we just finished our client meeting for our last event coordination for this year. Kung wala namang magbo-book after May 20, yun yung last date ng ng coordination ko. Kung hindi naman siya madadagdagan, walang magbo-book after. Ito kasi yung huling all-in package na hawak ko eh. Though it's intimate wedding kasi 40 packs lang sila. So yun. Pero kung hindi na ako magkakaroon ng client after them, I will temporarily stop the operation of Emerald Creations and will focus more on my hosting gigs since okay lang din naman kasi yun nga kapag maraming shooting, hindi din naman tayo all of the time available for the client. So ayun, pero if God permits that we will have more clients for coordination, well, definitely we will find and make time for them. Ganun naman yan. So, it's 8 p.m. and tapos na ako sa lahat ng aking gagawin. Ayan, nakapag meet na tayo ng dalawang client for events. So, that's for April 11 hosting and for May 20 coordination and hosting. And kapag draft na ako ng program nung April 11, constructed na rin yung file ng 20. So we're good. Ang gagawin ko na lang na natitira, hindi naman siya urgent, is yung mga submissions ko. Yung mga audition submissions. And I have to create a monologue pa nga pala. Kasi may audition ako tomorrow for a teatro. Yeah, mag-audition ako for theater tomorrow sa Quezon City. That's 8 a.m. onwards. Kung hindi ako ma-approve for taping tomorrow, yun lang ang gagawin ko, actually. And then Sunday, na-approve tayo for a music video. Yeah, may shoot tayo ng music video. Ayun. So, I will end the vlog here. So, kung umabot ka sa part na to, maraming salamat for taking the time to join me. Ganun lang naman usually ang araw ko kapag wala akong taping, wala akong event. More on, san lang ako napupunta. Pag may meeting, pag wala, nasa isang lugar lang ako. Ayun, so, yan. Maraming salamat and see you on my next video.